I am Pella from Just Tutors, and today we are going to learn about coal. So these are the points we will be learning today: exhaustible and inexhaustible natural resources, coal, coke, coal tar, and gas. So basically, we are talking about coal here, and these coke, coal tar, and coal gas are derived from coal. So let's move on. First, let's talk about exhaustible and inexhaustible resources. So there are few natural resources which we have. Few are in unlimited quantity and few are in limited quantity. No matter how much you use that, they will never end. These are called inexhaustible natural resources like sunlight, wind energy, water. No matter how much we use, they will never end. These will never end. But there are some natural resources which are limited in quantity. These are called inexhaustible natural resources. So for example, petroleum, forest, mineral, coal, these all are exhaustible natural resources. I hope you remember and have seen on the news, on the television, it is said save petroleum, save coal, because these are limited in quantity, and if we use that continuously, like in very uh, big amount, then there will be the time will not be left with such kind of resources, and that will be a big trouble for next generations. Okay, so now let's move on to the next: coal. So what is coal? I think we all have seen the coal either in reality or in television. So it is a hard as a stone and black in color. So it's a black color material stone. It is used as fuel. In earlier times, it is used in railway engines, it is used for cooking food. Nowadays, it is not used in houses because we have LPGs, but earlier time it was used. And when we did not have any electrical engines, this is used for generating electricity. So here it is said in thermal power. So basically, in thermal power, we need heat to generate electricity, and the coal was used, or coal is used for generating that heat. So it is used in thermal power plant as well. Now, how is it made? So there is a story behind it, and this story starts about 300 million years ago. When we had a dense forest, there was no life like a human. There were a dense forest in low-lying wet land areas. So due to some natural calamities, due to some natural disasters like flooding, earthquakes, these forests got buried under the soil. And as the time passed, soil deposited over them, and these were compressed. They were compressed. So due to the high temperature and the high pressure, as the soil again and again deposited over time, so the pressure on them increased and the temperature also increased. So the dead plant got slowly converted into coal, and this slow process of conversion of these dead plant into coal is called vegetation. So this was the story of coal. It's quite long, 300 million years ago. So now we can think, if we use this coal in a very big amount, and if we finish it, then how much time it will take to get the coal again. Okay, now let's so there are few substances which are derived from coal. We'll talk about them now. So first is coke. It's a pure form of carbon. It's tough, porous, and black substance. It is used in manufacture of steel and in the extraction of many metals, and it is used in preparation of producer gas. So producer gas is a mixture of flammable and inflammable gases, like flammable gases like carbon monoxide, and inflammable gases like nitrogen. And it is formed by passing the air over red hot coke. Okay, now let's talk about the next substance, which is coal tar. I think you have seen this. When the road is constructed, there is a black liquid which is spread over the road. That is called coal tar. So it is a black liquid with very unpleasant smell. It is among the byproduct when the coal is carbonized to make coke. And the products obtained from coal tars are used as a starting material for manufacturing so many things like plastic, perfumes, explosive drugs, synthetic dyes. So these are made from coal tar. And the last one is coal gas. It is obtained during the process of making coke from coal. It is used in industries as a source of heat. It contains variety of gases like hydrogen, carbon monoxide, methane, volatile hydrocarbons, and with small quantity of non-calorific gases as well. So now let's see what did we learn. These are the practice questions. You can pause the video, try these questions. I hope you got the correct answers, but let's discuss it a little bit more. So if we talk about first one, think about the time. How much time does it take to get exhaustible natural resources? And then if we talk about characteristics and use of coke, what do you think? Which substance is used for extraction of metals? And what is a pure form of carbon? And if we talk about third one, I think you know it. Exhaustible and inexhaustible. And the last one, this is the matter of observation, so you can take your time and observe around you what are the natural resources and what are the man-made materials. So thanks for watching this video. For more, you can visit justtutors.com. Thank you.